Welcome to how to use STYLPRO's red and infrared thermal brush. Ensure your hair is dry and detangled before use, and be sure to use your favourite thermal spray. Safely plug the power cord into the plug socket. Long press the on-off button to turn on your device. Short press the same button to the desired temperature. Once the device is heated up, start at the root of the hair and glide right down to the tip. Once you have finished styling your hair, finish off with the hairspray of your choice or a serum, and then finish by long pressing the on-off button to turn off your device. To keep your device clean, once completely cooled down, gently remove any loose hairs trapped in the device. Thank you for watching our how to use STYLPRO's red and infrared thermal brush.